Hi, I'm Keith Bledsoe, and I'm the owner here at Smoky Mountain Traders. I personally go out and buy the best cars on the market for you, our customer. Please give us a call with any questions you may have.
Hey everybody, it's Devin with Smoky Mountain Traders. I hope you're having an amazing day. Today we're going to be taking a close look at this 1985 Pontiac Trans AM. This is a very rare option car as it's got less than 37,000 original miles on it. Now if you've got any questions on it, you can give us a call at 865-988-8088 or you can send us an email to sales@smtclassics.com. I'm going to take you around the outside, on the inside, and under the hood of it, and then we'll get it out on the highway for you as well. As you look across the front, you can see that the body is in phenomenal condition. You'll notice this car's done in the blaze red with the silver accents, which is the factory color option for it. And you can see as you look down the sides that the body is straight as an arrow. As you come on around the driver's side, you can take a close look at all the gaps here at the door and see they're even and symmetrical. You also notice that we've got the tinted glass here on the side and on the back. Now this car does feature all the original safety flow light glass, but before we go around, I want you to come on up and we'll take a look at the interior. On the inside, it's done in the black and red two-tone accent. As you can see, everything is in phenomenal condition. You can see that the seats are beautiful along with the console and the dash. Now you'll notice it's still got the original radio in it and that the dash pad is in phenomenal condition as well. Now as you come on around, you can take a close look at the door panels and see that they've been very well cared for over the course of their life. You'll also notice we've got the red headliner with the overtop black console and that the red carpet is beautiful in this car as well. Now that we've been on the inside, we'll continue around the outside. You'll notice how phenomenal that door shuts and fits. As you make your way across the back, you can see that this rear bumper is in beautiful condition. You also notice that all the taillight lenses look like they're basically brand new, and you can see that we do have the rear spoiler. It'll also give you the opportunity to look down the passenger side, and you can see that these body lines flow beautifully here from the rear all the way to the front. As you come on around the passenger side, I'll take a step back. That way you can get a good look at the side profile look on this Trans Am. As you can see, the body on it's in phenomenal condition. Obviously, all the side stainless looks great on this car. Now, it is sitting on the factory 15-inch Pontiac wheels. And as you look down the side, you can see that this thing has been well kept and that it's been buffed and polished to a gorgeous shine that looks like it would have on the showroom floor when new. Come on up and we'll take a close look under the hood of this Trans Am. As you can see, it does feature the 5.0 liter engine. Now with this car having just under 37,000 original miles on it, you can see how well it's been cared for. Everything looks original under here. All of the metal looks like it's in phenomenal condition and has obviously been well cared for. You still see the factory marks and the AC on this car is working as it should. Now that we've been around the outside, on the inside, and under the hood of this Trans Am, we'll get it out on the road for you. Remember, if you got any questions, you can give us a call at 865-988-8088 or you can send us an email to sales@smtclassics.com. Let's hop in this 85 and we'll get it out on the highway for you.
Thanks for visiting us at SmokyMountainTraders.com. If you're ever in East Tennessee, stop by and check us out.